I'd known you were gonna get this excited, I'd have never brought this real-world TV into the Mushroom Kingdom.
Sheesh, don't panic, lady. Call Mighty Plumber.
I'll call Mighty Plumber. Help me, Mighty Plumber, please.
We will return to the adventures of Mighty Plumber after these messages.
Gosh, Mario, do you think Mighty Plumber will save the lady from the monster?
Count on it, Luigi. Our hero always gets his clock.
Hey, look! King Dad's doing aerobic exercises to get in shape for more madness. Great idea!
Knock it off, knuckleheads. I'm not doing exercises. I'm having a temper tantrum.
Hey, King Pop! What are we having a tantrum about?
Because I just found the map I need to rob the royal coin treasury of Pipeland. And every time I try to steal something, the Mario Brothers stop me. I gotta come up with a plan to get rid of them.
King Dad! King Dad! Come quick and see what Chi-Chi's doing! Why buy toys in a store when you can cheat and zap them out of the TV?
How can I come up with a brilliant plan to get rid of the Mario Brothers with all this going on?
And now back to the adventures of Mighty Plumber.
Mighty Plumber to the rescue! Faster than a speeding plunger. More powerful than a pipe wrench. Able to snag disgusting drain clogs with a flick of the wrist.
My hero!
Mighty Plumber. That's it. I'll trick him into sending the Mario Brothers right down the drain.
Yeah!
Mighty Plumber, have I got a job for you?
You'll have to make an appointment. I have a leaky kitchen to fix.
Ah, she can wait. This is an emergency. 2 evil little plumbers are trying to steal Pipeland's coin treasury. You gotta help me bring the gold coins back to my castle, where they'll be safe from those thieves.
Have no fear. Mighty Plumber will teach them that bribe never pays.
Meatballs, the TV's on the blink.
Oh, no, we're going to miss the part where Mighty Plumber saves the lady from the flooding kitchen. Yeesh. Whoa!
Robbing Pipeline Treasury. Dare you to stop me. Your enemy, King Koopa.
This is terrible.
Right. We can't let King Koopa cop all those gold coins.
No, I mean missing the rest of this week's Mighty Plumber adventure.
But what we did see was an inspiration. Now we can do our best to stop Koopa, just like Mighty Plumber would.
This is the entrance to the underground maze of pipes, where the treasury is hidden. Can you get it open?
Through muck, sweat, and slime, Mighty Plumber does it with no overtime.
I think I'll wait outside. Boy, have I got Mighty Plumber conned. I wonder what I'll buy with all those gold coins. An ocean liner, a Koopa DeVille.
I'm afraid all your plans have just hit a clog.
Whoa!
Hey!
Tell that to my new partner. Oh, Mighty Plumber, those nasty thieving plumbers are here.
Mighty Plumber!
Whoa! Hey, my idol! Oh, wow! He's here in person! Hey, can I have your autograph?
Traitor!
Not if you're busy, I can wait.
You disgraced our profession.
Whoa!
They're crooks, Mighty Plumber. Get them!
Mighty Plumber, wait! You're our hero! We brought a TV set from Brooklyn so we could watch your show!
Whoa! Whoa! A plumber snake!
Aim it up there!
Mighty Plumber fell for my phony story. This is going great. Oh! Whoa!
I've snagged them this time.
Quit gaping. We gotta find the pipeline treasury and move the coins to my castle before these two can steal them.
We've got to find Mighty Plumber and make him see his mistake.
Koopa's fire message said he was going to rob the treasury. I bet that's where he's taking Mighty Plumber right now.
Yeah, but how do we know which way to go?
Simple as pizza pie. Eeny, meeny, miny, Mario. Come on, Luigi.
The treasury vault can't be much further. I better check the map.
We can't let Mighty Plumber steal the treasury. They'll put him in jail. They'll cancel his TV show.
He can't steal it if we get it first. All you gotta do is grab Koopa's map.
Are you sure your plan will work?
Trust me.
Come out! I dare you, yeah, Venus Firetop! And you promise this was a safe idea? Whoa! Yow! Oh, sorry to drop in like this. You gotta run!
Yow! Get him, Mighty Plumber! He stole my map!
Yo!
I'll take that!
Luigi's in trouble. Oh! Whoa!
You may have the plunger, but I got the map! Oh!
You don't have it anymore.
Give me that map!
Riding down the fun one doing 75. Racing with the rapids trying to survive. Running to be rescued from an enemy attack. Danger right ahead and let's go, don't look back. Chill out. Keep your cool. Super Plumber is nobody's fool. Chill out. When the going gets tough, Super Plumber knows his stuff. Never lies ahead. We'll get through it. Anybody can. Super Plumber. Chill out. Keep your cool. Super Plumber is nobody's fool. Chill out. When the going gets tough, Super Plumber knows his stuff. Chill out. Just keep your cool. The Super Plumber knows his stuff.
Look, Plumber prints and Koopa prints. Come on.
There it is! The Pipeline Treasury Vault! Okay, big guy. Break down the door! At last! All the gold coins in Pipeline are mine!
We've sprung a leak.
That's your problem. Those little plumbers aren't the thieves. I am.
Hey, come back here.
We tried to tell you, big guy.
I let that slimy reptile trick me. I'm a disgrace to the plumbing profession.
No, you're not. You're our hero. You taught us everything we know.
Yeah, like the old pipe battering ram trick. It's one of our favorites.
She's gonna blow!
Okay, fellow drain surgeons, we have a job to do.
The pipe war. I'm home free.
Not quite, Koopa.
Yikes.
Ah!
That's what you think, sink fink.
He got away.
Come on, Luigi. Let's make Koopa's escape a real washout.
I got it. I got it.
No fair! Put me down!
Not until you use your wand to put Mighty Plumber back in the TV set.
Okay. Don't be such a nag.
What about the Pipeline Treasury?
We'll put it where it belongs. You gotta get back on TV and save that lady in the kitchen.
Do your thing, Cheatsy. Just in case you're thinking of taking Mighty Plumber off the air again. Go, Mighty Plumber! Go! Yay! Hey, can we pick heroes or what?